Okay, kung meron po tayong mga paraan para na pwede nating matuklasan para mas maging healthy po tayo, gusto nyong malaman? Yes! Siyempre, Susan, we all want to be in perfect health, di ba? Di ba?
Alam mo, Susan, Ana, ang daming tumatawag sa atin because a lot of people are amazed at the stories that are being told here in our show.
Today po, ang pag-uusapan natin ay yung diabetes naman po. At ayon sa statistics ng Department of Health, diabetes is the 9th leading cause of death in the Philippines, affecting 1 out of 25 Filipinos. An estimated 3.36 million Filipinos are affected by the disease today. Isa na po ako doon. Kaya nga, Ana, will you choose life or tatanggapin na lang natin ang mga sakit natin? Through our show, we will show you that we can choose life over sickness. And there are natural ways to address even diabetes.
Yes, ang diabetes ay isang pangkaraniwang sakit. And yet, very serious po ito kasi maraming complications po dito sa diabetes.
Today we have a story of an 8-year-old Dana Felizardo. Meron po siyang juvenile diabetes. We'd like to welcome her sa Be Alive!
My name is Dana Jemima.
We found out that she had diabetes when she was 5. She was diagnosed DM1. Medyo fatal na yung kanyang diabetes at that time, but we didn't know that she had diabetes. We just found out when we went to the hospital because of her pneumonia, and it got worse. And then from that time, the diabetes came out. From then on, it had been hard for the family because she had to take insulin twice a day, 1 in the morning and 10 units in the evening. Since she had the diabetes, we have been monitoring her sugar. We've had less sleep in the night because we have to make sure that she's not hypo. One time, around 2 in the morning, we all woke up with a scream. We couldn't understand her. She's just like screaming as if she was like in a nightmare stage. And then we were trying to wake her up, but she couldn't wake up. And then we checked her sugar. It was really below. It was at 20. It was like fatal. We thought you're about to lose her because she's not waking up. And when the screaming stopped, she was like a vegetable already. We took up a glass of water, put some honey, and mix it. And we tried her to sip it, even though she's having a hard time sipping it. We were able to manage doing it. And then we checked the sugar again. Eventually, the sugar came up, but it was like the worst 5 to 10 minutes of our life. We thought that we were gonna lose her at that point. About 3 months ago, we were introduced to Laminine. We were advised for her to take 2 caps a day. And since then, we were getting good blood sugar readings. When she used the Laminine, she started getting muscles. She was more alive, more focused when in her studies. We were getting less hypoglycemic stages, so that's the best part of it. My daughter has juvenile diabetes, and what scares us, eventually, when she gets older, her organs might deteriorate.
I'm already doing fine. I can concentrate now in school. I'm not fainting anymore, and I'm feeling good since Mommy gave me Lamin.
When we come back, we will give you our doctors. Papaliwanag po nila sa atin ang sakit na diabetes. Welcome, doctors. Today we have Dr. Lito Fruto, an integrative medicine, and of course, Dr. Ria Magalona, right?
Yes, from Cotabato.
And from Cotabato.
Yes, welcome to Be Alive. All right, Dr. Fruto, what is diabetes and why do so many people have it?
Diabetes is an abnormality in the function of the pancreas. It can be a type 1 or a type 2 diabetes, but to make it very clear, diabetes actually is 90% a lifestyle disease. When we say lifestyle disease, is that you acquire it because of the kind of lifestyle that you have, especially on the way you eat your food, the way you sleep, the way you do your activity on a daily basis.
Nakakamatay ho ba ang diabetes, doctor?
A lot of people die because of the complications of diabetes. One example, there are a lot of people having dialysis because of diabetic nephropathy.
Doctor, yun ho bang sabi nyo nakakamatay dahil sa complication? Yun bang diabetes na sakit mismo ang pumapatay o dahil nagkakaroon ng komplikasyon dahil sa mga gamot na binibigay dahil sa diabetes?
Actually, it's because of diabetes, but part of it because some patients who are in the long-term use of their hypoglycemic drugs, we cannot totally rule out that it will not affect the other organs. It's a long-term kind of disease.
Ano po ang mga symptoms na pwede natin, yung mga palatandaan na diabetic na pala ako?
Marami pong sintomas ang diabetes. The first thing is yung presence ng sugar level sa urine. Diba? Kaya nga sasabi natin, mabuti pa yung langgam, alam na may diabetes yung tao hindi pa niya alam na may diabetes siya. Kasi pag umihi at hindi na i-flush po yan, makikita nyo nilalanggam yung pinag-ihian niya, the urine. And then of course, there are things na nanlalabo yung mata.
Yung iba naman po, dahil ihi ka ng ihi, lagi ka ring uhaw. Tapos, low ang energy mo. So, yun sa mga isang sintomas ng pwede mong isipin, baka nga meron na akong diabetes.
Madali kang mapagod.
Oo, alam mo, Doc, Susan, nung
Ikaw,
ako, diabetic kasi ako, no?
Hindi madali kang mapagod, Ana.
Hindi na ngayon, nagdadamin na ako. Ano ba? Diba? Pero actually, nung una, Susan, nalaman ko may diabetes ako, no? Pagod na pagod ako na nag-uusap tayong ganito. Maya-maya tinitignan na kita.
Talaga? Inaantok ka gano'n?
Actually, 680 ang sugar ko noon yung aking reading, no? Dinala ako sa ospital. Hindi ko pa nga alam na may sakit ako. Kumakanta-kanta pa ako na kasama nila Heber Bartolome. Pagbaba ko dun sa entablado, nasugatan na pala yung aking legs na ganyang kahaba na yung gas-gas, hindi ko na naramdaman.
Wow.
Kasi wala na akong pakiramdam, nagdanumb na ako Tapos tama yung sinabi ni doktor na inom ako na inom ng tubig. Parang gusto kong ikalong yung refrigerator, dalhin sa akin kung saan ako pumupunta. Oo, grabe talaga.
So, Dr. Fruto, how does Laminine help people with diabetes?
Ang maganda po sa Laminine is because it has a complete amino acid including, which is the most important po dyan is yung lysine and the tryptophan. Because the tryptophan amino acid is the one that neutralizes or regulates the functionality of the pancreas and the gastric glands. Kaya po ngayon, pagka nag-laminine kayo, ang unang-unang nire-regulate ng tryptophan o ng laminine is the functionality of the pancreas, which is the ones that shoots up insulin into the bloodstream.
Susan, alam mo, Tita Maggie, yung sinasabi sa akin ni Dr. Fruto noon, kaya ako nagla-laminine kasi hope ko na dumating ang araw na yung pancreas ko ay mag-function ulit. Maari bang gawin ng laminine ito? Kasi pag diabetic ka, medyo patay na yung pancreas mo, di ba, Doc? Maari ba yun?
Ito po yung kagandahan. This is the reason why the product is so profound because it is a repair kit. It repairs the tissues, the cells, and eventually it repairs the organ. So, na-correct po in the long run, pagka marami nang naiinom, accumulated time, the tryptophan, the lysine amino acid, and the other amino acids such as the valine, the histidine, and the arginine will work together synergistically, and with the presence of the protoembryonic stage extract and the fibroblast growth factor, they work together in repairing the particular organ that is in question.
And Dr. Fruto, I understand in the process of repairing, it allows the pancreas to be able to produce insulin again. Is this correct?
Yes, Tita Maggie. Since Laminine, as we all know, aside from being an amino acid supplement, it has fibroblast growth factor. And we know that fibroblast growth factor enhances our stem cells. So, it's not impossible that later on, your pancreas could secrete the right insulin so that lahat ng mga asukal sa katawan natin, mayu-utilize mismo, magagamit ng tama ng katawan natin.
Kaya pala ang dami nating mga tawag, no? Yung mga diabetes sila dati, nagpapasalamat. Sabi mo, umiiyak pa.
Oo, ang dami talagang naming tumatawag sa testimonials, no? Ako personally, no, I'm a legitimate diabetic, no? I'm so grateful for this. Actually, I put this to a test, yung laminine, Susan, Tita Maggie. Sabi ko, tignan nga natin kung uubra ang laminine. Sabi ko, kumain ako ng cake nung gabi, ganyan kalaki, Tapos sabi ko, tignan nga natin, naglaminine ako 2. Kinabukasan ang sugar ko 95.
Wow! Okay. Panoorin niyo po ang VTR of Dr. Daniel Soria. Our doctors will be back right after our break. Be alive!
I have diabetes and I have a high cholesterol. When I found that I have diabetes, I was thinking about my family. What will happen to them if something happened to me? My wife and I, we are both dentists. They say the limit of being a diabetes is around 10 to 15 years. And that's the time that they say that you're going to have the complications. Initially, I was taking oral medications. Once I become hypoglycemic, my sugar is so low that I tend to have chills. I shake. My friend introduced Laminine. Initially, when I saw the Laminine, I was thinking that just another product. Being a diabetic also, I had these holes in my hands. Both hands, they have loops, white spots here. You'll see some cuts. It's like my hands are being eaten by something. When I took the Laminine, it erased everything.
I'm also a doctor, wife of Dr. Daniel Soria, and we were monitoring his laboratory result, especially the glucose and the cholesterol and creatinine. Last year, when he's injecting insulin, I think that's 25-75 combination. His sugar was maintained in the level of 200 to 250, and after taking the Laminine, his laboratory result was declined into 156 without taking insulin. I love my husband, and I know now that he's going to live longer and enjoy our kids.